Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Formsite. So a webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Formsite is a survey and forms automation software. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside Formsite. So here by using Formsite, I have created this form. And my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically the details should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So to begin with this setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Formsite as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new form result. So this trigger will start working whenever a user will submit a new form result. So as I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Formsite account with Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my Formsite account. So this over here is my dashboard and here's the form that I've created by the name of PabbCon registration. So I will go to the settings and here in form settings, I will go to integrations. So here in integrations, as per the instructions, I will go to server post and I'm going to click on edit. So as I did that, firstly, I'm going to enable this. So here you can see it says integration server post. Send results from this form to another server via an HTTP post. So over here in the server URL, I'm just going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste in this field. And as per the instruction mentioned, message format will be JSON and I'm not going to change any of the settings and I will click on save. So here as I did that, it says your changes have been saved. That means I've successfully added a webhook inside this form. That means a connection has been made. So I'm just going to go back. So here you can see this webhook is successfully enabled. So now I'm going to click on share and I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to open in a new tab. So here is the form which we have connected. So in Pabbly Connect as well, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to submit this form. So this here is the form and I'm going to fill in the details. So here let's say that the first name is demo, the last name is user, moving to the phone number. So this here is the phone number and here is the email address. So I've mentioned the details. I'm going to click on submit. So here it says, thank you, you have just successfully completed a Formsite form. That means I would have got the form result in Formsite and as well as in Pabbly Connect as well. That means the form submission would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect and in Formsite, I would have got the form submission result. So taking you to my Formsite account and here under results, you can see that yes, I have received the details. So over here, you can see the reference, the status. Here's the first name that was demo, last name is user. You can see the phone number, email address, date and the user details. So that means over here in Formsite, I've got the form submission result. So over here inside Pabbly Connect as well, I've received the response and this here is a positive response. So here you can see I've got the details. You can see the user IP, you can see the user device, user browser and the result status is complete. And over here are the details. So here you can see the email address that was filled in during the form submission. You can see the phone number. Here is the last name. This here is the first name and you can see the ID along with the date, updated, start and the finish date and time. So that means over here inside Pabbly Connect, I've successfully got the form submission details. That means now whenever a new form submission will be made in Formsite, then automatically the response will be captured over here inside Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the form response over here in Pabbly Connect, now just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the form response details. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.